Okay, first one of the day, returning client with his Yamaha Tracer. He did have one previously, which we did a few years back, so he thought he would treat this one to a bit of trot TLC. This is going to get one of our legendary full Monty valets. That will include pretty much everything, including a good old dosing of XCP clear coat. We'll get all that exhaust all polished up, get all these lovely gold wheels sorted out. Like I said, give it a good misting of corrosion protection afterwards, just to keep any corrosion at bay. We will service that chain, get all that old gritty chain lube off, get some fresh lube on it, get it looking like it should. Do a bit of machine polishing on this windscreen, get all those marks out. I'll probably take it off and polish it. So yes, give me a few hours, let's work some trot magic. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This Tracer 9 has been fully trotted. Another one of our full Monty specials. Everything's been cleaned, meticulously cleaned. Everything's been XCP'd afterwards, polished. All those header pipes have all been, look at that, nicely polished up like new. I did do a single stage polish on all the bodywork, removed the windscreen, gave that a polish with the machine. All the plastics have been dressed, chain's been serviced. All your chain rings, all that extra XCP, little nuts and bolts. Center stand, side stand's been painted. 2 hours on the dot. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.